Hello friends, we are here to make our lucky candy treat. I am so excited to show you how to make this. It's a little treat that I got inspired to make by my friend Cindy, who made something similar. Let me see if I have the one that she made handy. Yes, I do. My friend Cindy made this for us at her class. It was a cute little candy treat using a Valentine's chocolate. And it inspired me to make a little 4-leaf clover version of this candy treat. So we are using today the Lucky Clover stamp set. It's been a very long time since we had a St. Patrick's Day set, and I love it. Always love a good St. Patrick's Day set. You'll notice this designer paper that I've used on the project, and it is one of my favorites. This is called the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper. And you can see here, these are monochromatic, mostly, some not, but mostly monochromatic sheets of designer series paper with all the coolest patterns. You can see how boss they are. We're going to turn it over. Of course, our designer paper is double-sided, and you've got all kinds of other cute designs for spring. Now, by the way, my name is Cogbill. My business is called Paper Made Prettier. I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. All the places, you can type in all one word, Paper Made Prettier, and you'll find me. Hello, Carol. Good to see you. So the designer series paper called Dandy Designs is a celebration item, and this 48 pack of 12 by 12 designer paper, yes, 48 pack of 12 by 12 designer series paper is free with a $100 purchase. It's perfect for all of your spring crafting. It goes with all of our cute spring stamp sets, and it's definitely something you'll want to stock up on. Not just one pack, multiple packs. I'm sitting on about 5 packs of it right now, so I love it. All right, so we're going to make, I call this a matchbook treat. And of course, y'all know I love my Ghirardelli's chocolates. Thank you, Carol. I just found these at Walmart. They come in all colors. They're not hard to find. They have them at Target, most grocery stores. And I like them. They're nice and flat, and they're great for crafting. These are the dark chocolate mint variety. So you are going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 6 3/4 by 3 inches. Okay. I'm using shaded spruce here. It is a great color for this. And we are going to score that at 1/2. So here's the 1-inch mark. We're going to go to 1/2. Now, do you have a simply scored tool? I'll tell you that I did not think I needed one until I got one, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this thing. Yes, our trimmer scores, but this thing is fabulous because you can do things really quickly. But we're going to score it at 1 1/2, 3 1/2, and 4. So, you know, you can even put little Post-its, little marks there. The board will come with little scoring marks, I think. I've, of course, lost mine. That will mark, and you can just click, 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 and make all your little treats in a hurry. Anyway, love this little tool. It's only 30 bucks. All right, so you've got your little matchbook cover. Now what we're going to do, we're going to fold this little flap up and these little flaps this way. And we're going to use our bone folder to crease that the direction that we want. And at this point, you're going to grab your candy. And this is just a quick and dirty way to trap that candy in there. Anything that makes things easier is better for me. So fold it down over that candy wrap, and then get you a stapler. Any stapler will do. And you're going to put your staple kind of far down here, but also trapping in that candy wrapper. Of course, my stapler is going to act stupid in my Facebook Live. We used to sell this. We don't sell it anymore. Oh, that's nice. Let me reload. See if I can get it to work. Actually, let me just go get another stapler because I'll get some more staples. How about that? You know it's a Facebook Live when I'm just going to have to do something. Now, right before this stapler went out of commission, I bought a bunch of staples. All right. Any stapler will do. Don't freak out about this part. This one is just something I keep in my stamp bag because I love its tiny little staples. All right, one more time. Let's try. Give that a staple. Okay. So, and then you're going to eventually tuck this under, but we're going to do some decorating now. Barb, good to see you. Yes, you do have one. That's great. Carol loves her scoring board. Yeah, it's one of those things that I didn't think I needed until I got it. And then I was like, why did I wait so long to buy this thing? All right, so this is the front cover of your treat. Now, this is a piece of the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper. That's 2 5/8 by 2 7/8. We're going to stick that to the front. And then I've got a cute little white circle that I have cut with my Layering Circles dies. These things are indispensable. All the circles, all in a row. You see. If you don't have layering circles, I don't know if we can be friends because it's just an indispensable set of dies that you will use over and over in your crafting. There are 16 dies that cut all the circles and all the scallops to fit. I'll show you like a card that I'm made similar to this treat. You've got the layering circle here. Here I just used the one circle because I made multiples of these, so I was trying to keep it really simple. Now we're going to use 2 ink colors, Shaded Spruce and Granny Apple Green. And the stamp we're using is this and our little sentiment here. So one thing you'll notice is that I stamped both things on this circle. Get my treat back here for you to look at. And when we do this, we need to do a little trickety trick here. So our 4-leaf clover, Shamrock, we're going to ink that up in Granny Apple Green. And that's going to be pretty dark as is. So I'm just going to stamp it off on a scratch paper and then stamp it on my circle. Okay, so that makes it kind of light. And the good news there is that our sentiment then, we can stamp. It says, a good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. So we're going to stamp that right over our clover. And since we lightened that up, it shows up great. So just a tip, if you're trying to stamp stamps over stamps, then do stamping this is called second generation, but stamp it off on a piece of paper to get it lighter. Okay, so we've made that lighter. And now we're going to pop this little sweetie up with dimensionals. And I've buried, per usual, well, that was not going to work, buried my dimensionals. So we're going to put that like so. And we're going to just tuck this in to our, now I tucked it in like with the circle kind of overhanging and the designer paper and the flap going down in there. So that's why we waited to tuck it in. All right, now I've got, since we're doing St. Patrick's Day, of course we got to bring in our gold. So I grabbed this gold ribbon. I'm down to like the last shred of it. Good thing for y'all. Have to put that on my order list. All of the items that I'm using today are listed in the information on Facebook or YouTube. So do not hesitate to look up those little item numbers and start your wish list. You need to give yourself the gift of happy crafting and purchase these items. You know, I love that you guys watch me every week. It's so fun. And it just gives me joy in my business. So I would love it if you purchase these items. All right, so let's stick. Now, I went ahead and stuck that little gold ribbon strategically right over that staple, okay? So voila. You've covered it up for those of us that don't like to look at staples. All right. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is bling this up. Now, this is an embellishment in our catalog that is called, it's like, I have it listed out. It's listed, it's something gold faceted sequins, blah, 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 multifaceted sequins, something like that. And it's really cool. It's got these little teardrops, small and big round sequins, and these little moons. So we're just going to pop some on. I'm going to go, now I don't love the way the teardrop ones look, so I kind of shimmied them right under here. And then to me, they look like little gold coins. So you can't tell that they're teardrop shaped. I mean, I like them for certain projects, but not for this. Like I want these to look like gold coins. And I'm going to go ahead and get really blingy on here and use 5 sequins. So we're going to really bling this up. All right, so we've got all of our cute little sequins here in our sweet little pouch of chocolate goodness. Yes, I know, Barb. I do too. I just keep it on my phone. I have an ongoing list. Add. That's what I love about holidays. Clark always says, what do you want for blank? And I say, stamps. All right, so we're using the Lucky Clover stamp set, 160, 610. These are the dimensions for your base and your designer paper. Remember, the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper is free with a $100 purchase. Free, okay? But I want to tell you about my Lucky Flash ordering special, okay? This is super fun. I've never done this before, but some of you may notice that there is a mystery designer paper, and I call it mystery because whenever I use it, people are like, where did you get that designer series paper? And I got it in the back of this purple spring mini catalog. It's right across here. You might miss it. It's in the very back. It's called Flowers and More Designer Series Paper, 16802. There are 48 sheets for $18 once you have an order of 150 or more, okay? But I know that some of my friends like budget out their orders and don't have really big ones all at once. So I am offering a full 6x6 share of this, 12 sheets for any orders over $50. So greater than $50 or greater between now and Saturday. Then I will mail you a little share of this host paper. Okay, it's called Flowers and More. You've got flowers on one side and a few stripes. And on the back, you've got really bright, fun patterns. Okay, so I know, Carol, I love this paper. It is so cute. And honestly, a lot of people haven't even seen it because it's tucked there in the back. It's just almost like that. Remember that one we had in the holiday catalog? Now, I want to show you a couple of more projects I have made with the Lucky Clover. I say I made. My friend Sandy Reese made this cute St. Patrick's Day card. She used a lot more of the stamps, but still this Dandy Designs paper. Did some white heat embossing, pulled in the gold here. Super cute. And I made this cute little, and look, she stamped the inside, of course. And I made this super cute card with, very similar to my treat packet here. I'm going to show you a few more quick projects using the Dandy Designs Designer, I say a few more, it's a lot. So that first designer paper I showed you, that's free with a $100 purchase, okay? Get ready for a show to end all shows. I started pulling all of my projects, made with that designer series paper, and it just went on and on and on. Now, celebration only lasts a few more weeks. So it ends at the end of February, so don't snooze. But all these little cards for spring were made with this cute designer. No, that's not. That's something else. Scratch that. Oh my gosh, I love it all. All these cute projects with these dandy designs. Designer series paper. So versatile. You can see here they've stamped on it. All right, so make sure and grab that. And remember that when you order $50 or more, you'll get this pack of Flowers and More Designer Series paper mailed to you in the mail. So thanks for watching, friends, and I hope that you make some cute little lucky treats. Bye.